Hello, all of my lovely English speaking partner. I always appreciate you because you always inspire me to learn English, to improve my skills, to change my life, and finally to be a perfect man. My dear friend, today in this video, I don't share with you about the weather condition. I don't say that it is a windy day. I don't say it is a cloudy day. In this video, I wanna say about my dopamine power. Yes, my dear friend, last couple of days my dopamine power becomes decreased. So I have to increase my dopamine power. That's why I have come here to increase my dopamine power. You know, when I can improve my dopamine power, that time my body, my brain can do work perfectly. That time I can do any work perfectly. That time my body get more energy to do hard work. That time my brain gets more energy to do work properly. Yes, my dear friend, actually it is a very significant topic for us. When our dopamine power become low or decrease, that time we feel frustration, that time we feel depressed. On the other hand, when our dopamine power increase, that time we get more motivation, we get more inspiration, we get more energy to do our work. Yeah, my dear friend, I know it is a crazy topic. I know it is totally unnecessary topic to learn English, but I honestly believe that it is very significant topic for us in our daily life, because our dopamine is our central circuit. Our dopamine can control our whole body. While our dopamine keep good, that time our brain, our body can do perfectly. Yeah, my dear friend, no more longer. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.